A quick video on how to create a pattern using Photoshop. So I've got my scan of my drawing up on Photoshop. I created an A4 page and I'm going to create a pattern using this. So if you want to, with your pattern, is to fill some of your shapes, you can do that with the fill tool. I'm going to keep it quite simple, but you might want to do yours a bit more advanced than how I am doing it, but you get the idea. So I'll just fill in those bits of yellow. And now what I need to do is select the part of the image that I want to copy. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy that part, paste it, so I have two. And then I'm just going to flip that. So you're going to flip your design. And you do that by going to transform and flip horizontal. And you will get another image that you can, so it's a flipped version of that. You might want to make both of them. You link your layers just by pressing Shift and creating them, and make them slightly smaller so that they can then fit, and then unlink them, and then I can make them so that they join like that, and just press the cursor or the arrow buttons so you can kind of line it up just to make sure that it's all lined up. Slightly wonky, so I would kind of shift it maybe up a little bit. You get the idea. I think that's okay for now. And then you merge the layers. So you press Shift for the two layers and you merge the layers. So there, you don't merge the background, so they are linked now. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy that layer, so duplicate the layer. Or, duplicate layer, which is just there. So now I've got this, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip that as well. So I'm going to flip that vertically though this time. So now I can have layer 3 copy. What I've got is I've got auto select on, so I don't need that. And then drag that to the top. And now I've got this big pattern happening. Again, I want to, so that's fine. I'll merge my layers. And this time, so I'm happy with that, this time make it quite small. So they're all merge those layers. There's my pattern that I'm going to have. And this is going to be my continuous pattern now. So make that fairly small. And then this time I need to select them all. So going to the marquee tool, which is this one, the rectangular marquee tool. And then I need to go to Image, Edit and Define Pattern. What this does, it creates this pattern. So I'm going to call it triangles. That's my pattern. I don't need this now, this layer, so I can delete what I've selected and I can create a new layer. Go to my fill tool, which if it's not on the screen, then you need to select it. So there's my fill tool, and instead of going to foreground, I select pattern, and you'll be able to see that my pattern is automatically saved there. And now I can fill it, and so I'm going to fill my whole page with that. So there is my pattern. Now you can see I've got a slight white line in the middle, and that's because I didn't crop my image tightly enough, so I had a white outline. So to stop that from happening, you might need to go in a little bit from your selection, okay, to get rid of that. So if you create a border, that's accidentally created a border, but still, you can still see that the pattern is now created, and I've got a continuous pattern, which can be used for kind of wallpapers, can be used for backgrounds, And if you don't want it so small, you can obviously make your pattern a bigger size by making your original square bigger. And that's how you create it.